Wayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got Smith Corona assignment. We'll call this machine Mr. Stinky because it smells, and it's been sitting in the Arizona sun for 3 days already and it still reeks, and I believe it's mostly coming from this insulation material that's all throughout the machine on the inside of these panels, inside of these back panels, back panel back here. I think they're retaining most of that stink smell that will not vacate this machine. But it's also got heavy condition problems down here. It's just a prelude to what everything looks like down here. So the stuff is pretty nasty down here. Just rusty and nasty looking. So we're going to have to decide whether this is worthy of cleaning. Most of that's pretty deep rust type stuff. It's only going to clean up so much because of the condition of the metal. It's pretty severe. So that's kind of, I got this arm working too. It was sticking. It's still squeaking, and in fact, everything is squeaking. So this carriage squeaks when you go side to side, which is still got to be flushed out. Even these rollers. Let me turn the sound off here so you can hear it. So even simple thing like these make a big stink, and then it still squeaks when you turn it, and it drags when you're moving the carriage. So all that rust and corrosion has built up on every metal surface there is. I did flush all this down here, these type segment, because all the keys were sticking, so I needed to make sure I can get these keys to work, which I did. So mechanically it's actually operating, but it's still it's got irreversible condition problems. And I also did, the ribbon drive here had to be rebuilt. Right here, this piece right here was seized up, and it without that turning, it jams the machine up, so the machine's got to drive that, and if it locks, it locks the machine up eventually. And so that had to be dealt with just to make sure I could make sure the machine would work. And there were some problems with the keyboard too. The Y was jammed down, and the 4, both those had linkage bent problems that were different than normal links. So I've got it working, but it just smells terribly bad. And it's got some condition problems still that got to be dealt with, or not. So that's just a video update on this Smith Corona Silent. Good day.